In this video, we're going to learn how to refresh every minute. In Google Sheets, we have really cool things like the formula now or the formula today, or even exchange rates with Google Finance. We can say currency, USD to euro or yen or pound. We also have stock prices with Google Finance. We can just put in the stock ticker and get the price at the moment, but it's not really the moment. These cells are not refreshing as often as we might want. They're refreshing every time we change or edit the sheet. Well, I'm going to show you in this video how to refresh every minute. Go up to File and scroll down to Settings. Here we have some general settings, but if you see at the top there are two tabs, General and Calculation. We're going to click on Calculation, and it shows us that the recalculation is set to on change. Instead, we're going to change this to every minute. As you can see, there's also the availability for every hour. And one key step after we change this is that we must click Save Settings. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.